Yep, sanibonani guys, sanibonani. Ngantshela ngathi playing Tebogo Mokoena will bring to trouble. FIFA has officially deducted 3 points from iBafana Bafana. Yeah, ne. That means the remaining games we have to win them, and we'll have to win them playing helicopter football. Yeah, we'll have to win the remaining game playing helicopter football, and I doubt we'll win this. So amathuba okuyodlala i-World Cup 2026 e-America, they are very slim. And if you check, uh, now Hugo Bruce is selecting ama-player wase-Nigeria, ama-player wakuphi kuphi adlala ngaphandle. I don't think we will qualify. Save this one, yeah. I don't think South Africa will qualify for iBafana Bafana. They will lose the remaining game or draw. Danko.